On 8 through 10, you're factoring each one of these completely. And remember, there's an easy way when a is 1. And remember, what I mean by a is in standard form, this is what a quadratic looks like. The a is the coefficient in front of the x squared. So on 8 and 9, they both have an a of 1. So I'm going to work those together. Because when your a is 1, all you need are factors of c that add to get your b. So on number 8, we need factors of 56 with the sum of 15. 56 is my c, 15 is my b. So when I'm looking at numbers that multiply to get 56, remember they could both be positive or they could both be negative. If you don't know your factors, remember you can use your calculator to help you. You can go to your y equals and put in the number, which is 56, divided by x, and then look in your table, so second graph. These are the numbers that multiply to get 56. You don't want the decimals. So 1 and 56, 2 and 28, 4 and 14. If we keep scrolling, we'll see one more, 7 and 8. And then you just start repeating. The next one's 8 and 7, which is the same thing as 7 and 8. So we would have 2 and 28. Don't forget they could both be negative. We have 4 and 14. They could both be negative. And then we have 7 and 8. They could both be negative. Okay, so we want the sum of 15. So which of these add to get 15? 7 and 8 do. So my two binomial factors are going to be x plus 7 and x plus 8. So on number 9, I want factors of c. My c is negative 32. Add to get b, so a sum of 4. Now this time, since they multiply to get a negative, that means the signs have to be opposites. Again, if I wanted that in my calculator, I would just put negative 32 divided by x and look in the table. So I can see 1 and negative 32. That also means negative 1 and positive 32. 2 and negative 16 means negative 2 and negative 16. So I have 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 4 and 8, and then I would also have, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So negative 1 and positive 32, or 1 and negative 32, negative 2 and positive 16, or positive 2 and negative 16, 4 and negative 8, or negative 4 and positive 8 are my possible factors. Which one has a sum of positive 4? Be careful with that sign, are these two. These add to get negative 4. So my two binomial factors are x minus 4 and x plus 8. Remember, you can distribute just to check. X times x would give you x squared. X times 8 is 8x. 7 times x is 7x. 8x and 7x add to get 15x. 7 times 8 is 56. X times x is x squared. Here we would get a positive 8x. Here I'd get a negative 4x. Those would combine to get positive 4x. And negative 4 times 8 is negative 32.